What's up, people on YouTube? Hope you guys are having a great day today. Well, this is what I do every morning. I break down the stocks that I'm looking at for today and how I traded them. So today was a nice green day, $70 gain today. I definitely going to attribute that to the way I changed my indicators here. I changed all that noise. I still got this 200-day moving average popping up, but maybe I'll leave it on there showing. It does show some relevance into price action, nice reversals and stuff. As you can see here today on ADXF, and go ahead and break down the trades I did today. Had one small loss and then two gainers. But if this is your first time viewing, this is my YouTube channel, Just the Average Guy, although I'm anything but average. And this is what I do every morning. I break down the stocks that I'm looking at and hopefully give you some insight on how you can start learning how to beginning trade. Alright, so let's look at ADXS. Wasn't the first stock I got into, but it was a gainer here. Alright, so I played a little bit here on ADXF. I got scared out, wimped out here on this doji here, seeing some red. And then it continued on and I kept on watching it. Saw that it was holding up here, making possibly a pattern here and then a pullback here. And I saw this green bar getting filled up. Saw that the K was making a higher low here and decided to get in. Got in pretty high here at 36 cents though, and I just rode it on up to the first dip on the RSI here. The RSI made a peak here and the K and the D slow was going down, and I sold here at 38 cents. So not bad, not too shabby, but it continued on higher. I should have saw that was like a weak sell, wasn't much volume, but it was also later on in the day too. So could have sold much higher here. The higher day made a nice 7% gain, but I'll keep my 4%. Alright, so and you can see here ADX had a really nice dip here. Respected the stochastic D and the D slow. Could have gotten in on this reversal pattern, nothing but red here. Got in on the reversal and just held out until the RSI almost peaked. This would have been a really good sell here. Volume came in. RSI almost peaked. D slow ended up going down. Good sell. Alright, so let's look at the loss real quick. SRNE. And the loss was because of operator error. Me. So let's look. Move this drawing. I saw SRNE popped up on my scanner here. Was getting some nice volume. Wasn't a total pump and dump because had some movement here. And I was looking to get in with the K going below the min line. Didn't expect the D to go below the min line also, so I got in here expecting a reversal pattern right here. Got in here at 272, and then the next candle dropped down. I made a real short stop loss, said if it breaks down, this should be a reversal, and I just didn't hang in there with it. It just was making a curl, and I should have hang in there with it. It was only 2%, if anything 3% loss at one point in time, and then it curled up here. K ended up maxing out, and I could have got out at 280. Made a little 8 to 7 cents gain, but it all adds up. So just gotta follow the rules, follow the process, and believe in the process. Maybe set a bigger stop loss than just it going below. Seeing that I got in early here, and here was the actual curl point right here with the green candle. So it's alright. Learning as I go. Alright, so let's look at the other trade here. SNNA. Alright, SNNA just had all the volume going on in the morning and then was continue on downwards. Not really good entries here. I noticed that it just got straight green bars. Usually when it gets straight green bars, it usually is not gonna bouncing around too much. You want a stock that bounced around, made a couple higher highs, and then look to get in on the dips. So I got in on the morning play luckily here. Right before this candle was about to close, I saw that it broke the high here of these first two candles, indicating that I was moving up. Got in here on the third green candle, and then I sold here soon as it began to dip down. RSI was dipping down pretty hard. Red candle was coming in. I just sold at red pretty much, but the indicators were dipping down, and I was watching them and decided to sell here. Didn't want to wait. Saw that I was getting nothing but straight green bars, so it could have been a easily pump and dump. And then it made another good move here. I was looking at it, higher low on the stochastic here, higher low on the K, higher low on the D slow. Could have made a a good educated guess here to get in here on this reversal right here. It made a support here on the RSI, 30 right there and 30 right here on the dips. So that was indicating that, hey, there's some difference here, and you can make a 8% gain there. But by then I was already done looking at it. Saw all this red here, wasn't bouncing around, so I just decided to stay away from it. But alright, let's look at SPY real quick, like we always do. See how the overall market is doing on an uptrend today. And let's look at gold real quick. I think gold's on an uptrend, somewhat on an uptrend today too. Hit a high. So that's what's up. Alright, you guys, let's look, see from our entry point what you got in here. Good 7% gain so far. If we would have got in here at the curl, stochastic D, just watching it. And alright, that's it for me, you guys. Hope you guys are out there trading safely. Try to unclutter your screen like this as much as possible, and just to redraw. Keep redrawing your trend lines, and maybe you'll get a better view of what's actually going on. Alright, you guys, hit that like button for me if you like this video, and subscribe to the channel if you want more videos like this every day. Alright, I'll see you guys in the next one.